Objective of this video is to identify popular JavaScript testing frameworks and evaluate their capabilities. Testing is one of the integral part of any application development. Without testing, no application can move to be released, and until and unless it is not tested well, clients would not have confidence over that particular application. JavaScript being one of the popular frameworks and is used with Yeoman in order to generate scaffolding applications needs JavaScript testing, and in order to utilize it there are various frameworks at play. Some of the frameworks which plays important role in BDD style or TDD style of testing are Mocha, Chai and Expect.js. Chai is something which supports BDD as well as TDD. Mocha is a feature-rich JavaScript testing framework that runs on Node.js, and Expect.js provides you capability of applying expect and assertions in order to help you in testing your JavaScript constructs. Let's evaluate Mocha. Mocha supports both test-driven development as well as behavioral-driven development. It is one of the comprehensive testing environment which is built over Node.js and supports various applications which are powered by Node.js to be tested. Mocha provides you two different ways of running the test. One is browser centric and second is by using CLI, that is command line interface. Mocha contains a configuration file which can be configured to enable testing in browser and also helps you to manage and customize various testing options. In order to set up Mocha test domain specific language so that you can provide a choice to your JavaScript testing frameworks to set it up either as BDD or TDD, you can use a function called as mocha.setup and pass either BDD or TDD to define the testing DSL. Yeoman provides you a generator which is specific to Mocha that helps you to generate Mocha specific resources and assets in order to test your applications. You need to install generator by using npm install -g generator mocha and then quickly set up the application powered by Mocha using yo mocha command. Second framework is combination of Chai and Expect, where Chai provides you BDD and TDD assertion library capabilities, where it provides you rich set of asserts in order to quickly derive conclusion of your test result. It is used for Node.js as well as browser-based applications. In order to comprehensively use Chai, it comes with capability of pairing it with any JavaScript testing framework. You can use Chai with Mocha, you can use Chai with Expect.js, and internally Chai uses three important elements. One is should, second is expect, and third is assert. Expect.js is a typical library that provides capability of behavioral driven assertion. It's a toolkit which is based on should.js in order to help you in including rich should based tests which can be applied on various constructs. Now let's see how actually we'll be using JS testing frameworks and how they are made part of human generated applications. When you generate applications using human generator, it specifically create a folder. That folder is called as test. In test you will have specs which contains test.js and index.html which contains the test which can be done from the browser. Test.js contains function which typically uses describe and it to define the use cases for generating the test and also what need to be done in case of matching or unmatching test conditions. In order to run test, you need to either utilize Grunt or Gulp to automate the task. Looking at Gulp, Gulp provides you a specific task called a serve::test, where you can specify how that test will be driven and where that test will be conducted. For example, you can use browser sync by passing parameters to init function of browser sync to inform the framework about the testing construct and the port at which it will be tested. So you can specify certain parameters like notify, port, UI, and also specifically configure server related resources like base dir, where it will go to that particular directory to search the test cases. It will also specify routes in case if there are certain routes which need to be specified and utilized by your test. For example, slash script and slash bower component. Bower component contains all the transcribed and built browser specific resources, and script contains scripts which can be utilized in order to execute as outcome of the particular test. In this video, we identified popular JS testing frameworks and also evaluated their capabilities.